There will be occasions where you need to copy components from your AutoCAD electrical equipment list. Now, your equipment list might be set up specifically for project reasons, where you use specific components all the time. You might work in a specific industry like medical or construction, where you use a specific manufacturer constantly because they're the products that you put into your AutoCAD electrical drawings. We're still in the Demo 12 project using the Demo 02 drawing. Make sure you're in your schematic tab on the ribbon. Click on this flyout here in the Insert Components panel, and instead of using the icon menu, go down to Equipment List. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom and use the default MDB file here, WD Demo. This comes with AutoCAD Electrical. So when you install AutoCAD Electrical, you get this MDB file because there is a WD Demo project set up by default. So if I double click there, I'm going to look for components because I need to insert a component into my drawing. So I go Component and I click on OK. I'm just going to go for the default hard-coded settings for AutoCAD Electrical, and then I'm going to click on OK like so. Now there's all the default component settings. So you can see, look, there's all different manufacturers there that are come in as defaults in AutoCAD Electrical. So if I scroll down the list a bit here and look for, say, a Bussmann fuse, let's go for that one there, 224. So you can see there that it's a 224, the location is MCAB 5 in this particular project. So if I click on Insert now, what happens is it doesn't actually find that block available in the equipment list in this particular drawing. Now, it might be that it's not in this project or it's not in this drawing, but it's telling me it can't find a block, as in an AutoCAD block, that represents that fuse anywhere. If that's a problem, I can go to the icon menu and go and search for a fuse in there using one of the default fuses, or I can use this tool here, Copy Component, which allows me to insert a just like component. So if I click on there, I select the component to copy. If I just pan up a little bit, we've got my red circuit here, and I want to put a fuse in this wire here. You'll notice on the 3-phase circuit below, there's some fuses here. Can you see that one there? It's a 5 amp FU207 tagged fuse. So I click there, there's my fuse. I click here, and it inserts that fuse. Picks up the catalog data straight away. FU103 is the next component tag. I click on OK now. That's all in there. So can you see it's still an FRS R10, but the tag is 224. So it can't find that one. And when I click on Close, if I go here, right click and do Edit Component, you can see there, Catalog FRS R10, and it's a Bussmann. And what I've done is I've used a similar block, but then added different catalog data. So I can do that if I want to. If I can't find it in the equipment list, I can update it from existing components in my AutoCAD electrical drawing. So that's how you can bring in information from the equipment list in AutoCAD Electrical.